Michelle here from Straw-Bearie Designs, and I have been asked to do a collab video where you clean out your closet. I'd love to do the collab video, but I'm dreading cleaning out the closet. That's gonna take a lot of work, a lot of time, and I don't know if I'm gonna get it done. I don't know if you're gonna actually see this video. It may be too much. I don't know. What do you think? Think there's a chance? Wait and see.
I want to thank David and Michelle for sponsoring this Dump Day Wednesday collab and the special one for cleaning out our closets. I'm starting here with my shirts up here at the top. They're all hung on purple hangers, and I try to keep my closet pretty organized most of the time. I just have to go back and redo it every once in a while. My shirts are in rainbow order, starting with multi, pink, red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple, black, gray, white, tan, and brown. I am going through getting rid of multiples, clothes that I don't wear anymore to give away, moving some things to a different part of my closet, also checking clothing for stains and things like that that might need to be repaired or just given away. Then I move down to the bottom part of my closet where I keep the bottoms. So I have my skirts. Again, they are in rainbow order. And I have some skirt hangers that I put some of the skirts on, where you can put several skirts on the same hanger. Then I have my pants, and also in that section I keep my extra hangers, so I always know where to put my hangers when I'm pulling clothes out of my closet.
Okay, this is kind of the back section of my closet. Then I have some of my not worn as regularly things. So I've moved my Boy Scout uniform. Don't have any plans to wear that right now. And some of my costumes. There's my cow. There's my skirt for my Wonder Woman. This is just another petticoat that I actually wear under a dress all the time, but it's there. Some pantaloons, my pirate costume, another petticoat. Now, I do have a couple of boxes of costumes that I have put away. And some of my costumes, a lot of my costumes are in there, but I'm not moving these because I'm a teacher and we have dress-up days at school a lot. And guess who's always dressing up? Yeah, this girl. So some of these costumes that I wear twice a year, once a year at least, I'm kind of leaving them out because it's so hard to dig through the boxes and find them each time. Next, I have a section of clothes that I'm thinking about. It's kind of the halfway home. Maybe they don't look just right. If I lost a little weight or whatever, they're going to look better. So I've kind of put them in this little halfway house to decide if, in a few months, if I'm going to use it or not. And this petticoat does not want to stay on this hanger. So then I have my jackets. I live in Texas. I don't wear that many jackets. So then I have my dresses. This one is kind of more of a wear with leggings than it is a dress. So I kind of gave it its own section. I do think I have another one, but it's dirty right now, so it's not up here. Oh, I didn't show you this one. I made this one recently. I took one of my school t-shirts and I added a skirt on the bottom. I know, why would I do that? Since when you wear school t-shirts, you get to wear jeans. I don't know. And that's actually supposed to be the jackets, coats that I'm wearing right now, like when it's cold. But they're kind of maybe on a chair over there somewhere. Right, here is a suitcase. And inside of it, there's a suitcase. And inside of it, there's a suitcase. Great way to store your extra suitcases. I'm putting the suitcase that I actually use fairly often. I do actually try to organize my closet every once in a while. So you'll see I have crates up here. And this one has a label on it. It says jeans. So I decided to put my husband's jeans all in a crate so that they were easy for him to find and get to. This bag here says bags. And this one on this side says pajamas. So these are for my husband's pajamas to make it easier for him to find some of the stuff that he uses. See this bin and that bin on the floor? Yeah, those are more costumes. And that's not even all of it. I might have a problem. I have this old antique hat box. Guess what I got in it? Lots of crazy hats. Love crazy hat day at school. It's always so much fun. I have more hats than I actually have room for in my hat box. But I'll stuff them in there and I'll put it up on the shelf. Right, I got the hat box up there. In this striped bag, I have extra bedding and stuff for the summer. Got some sleeping bags. Of course, my clown costume, because you have to have one of those. And let's keep going. Okay, I've made it to the floor. I can see the floor now. Keep the inserts from your boots because they work well to go back in them so that they'll stand up and not get all wrinkly. You can also use pool noodles. Pool noodles are great for that as well. Here's one my dog chewed up, but better than the boot. I made these. I put the rhinestones on myself. These are my wedding shoes. Seriously, I wore these blue high tops underneath my wedding dress 28 years ago. And I still wear them occasionally. Usually with my clown costume. But that's something. Made these. Marker and alcohol. Here is a scarf holder that I've had for a while from IKEA. I have this just plastic shelf that I've put here. A hat rack on top. Keep my ironing supplies. These are pretty expensive boots. So I've put them up high so that my dog won't eat them. Now here's what I wanted to show you. I've done this for years. This is a hack of mine. This is my beach bag. And inside here, you will find beach towels, sunscreen, even some extra sunglasses, just in case I forget mine. And of course, it even has a plastic shovel in case we actually do go to the beach. So if I ever want to go to the beach or the pool or wherever, I'm already packed. I can just say, hey guys, put your swimsuits on, let's go. And it's not a major hassle. So down here on the bottom shelf, I also have a camping bag that I keep. Inside here, there are hand warmers, a compass, a knife, some sunscreen, flashlight, you know, things that you're going to need when you're camping. And this is kind of a cool camping hack. There's also a frisbee. So you can play frisbee when you're bored camping, or you can turn it upside down and use it as a plate or a bowl. And it's part of your little mess kit. While I'm here in my closet, I thought I would show you another cool hack. So this is a suitcase garment bag. It's great for storing wrapping paper. I keep the tall wrapping paper here, and you can see the strap to hold the clothes in is holding the tubes of wrapping paper. There's pockets right here, and you can put your bows and ribbons. Gift bags of all kinds go back here in this pocket. Convenient, hangs up in my closet, out of the way. Everybody can get to the wrapping paper, and it's nice and secure. Well, that wasn't as bad as I thought it was going to be. So here I have all of my shirts in rainbow order. Multicolored pink, red, orange, yellow, green, blues, purples, blacks, grays, whites, tans, and browns. And then right below that, I have my bottoms. First, skirts in rainbow order, and then I have pants in rainbow order, and then I have an extra section of hangers so that I always have a place to put them. On this other side of the closet, I have my dresses and my coats and my costumes and my shoes. It wasn't that bad. Really, it wasn't. It just didn't take that long. Everything looks so much better. It's going to be so much easier to use my closet. I'm so glad I did this. Thank you to David and Michelle with Pick and Flip for sponsoring this collab of Dump Day Wednesday. And please check out all of the other videos in the playlist. And until next time, have a great day, crafting away.